So hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna be performing and discussing the proper way of troubleshooting a network issues. So what is really the first thing or the first step that you have to do in troubleshooting a network or an issue or problem? So before trying to troubleshoot, you have to first educate yourself. You have to determine the exact nature of the problem. If it is a slow network or a complete outage or there's specific services not working. So you have to define the problem as clearly as possible. So first thing to do is first thing that you can notice that you will notice is that you are not connected or there is a problem in your network. So first is you have to check the hardware or the physical connections. You have to ensure that all cables or the connectors, physical hardware such as the switches, the modems, the routers are properly connected and not physically damaged. So if it is physically damaged or the wires, the connections, the cables are damaged, there will really be a problem in connecting to your network. So second is you have to restart your equipments. Okay, sometimes a simple reboot of modems, routers, and switches can resolve network issues. So turn them off, wait for about a couple of seconds, and then turn them back on. And if it's still not working, okay, then so after restarting, if your network's still in the issue or the problem, you have to ping test. There are two steps. You ping test or you use the ping command to test connectivity to other devices on the network or to the internet. For example, you have to ping google.com. But if you're unable to ping a device, it can help identify if the problem is with that specific. So you have to check IP configuration. So with that, we're going to click on Windows and then type command prompt. So with this, you have to use the IP config command and then click enter and then it will show all of your um, network specification. So we're going to, my God. So you are currently connected to your network which has the IP address of 192.168.1.41. But if your IP address displays 169, you are not connected to the network. So the your desktop or your computer is receiving an invalid IP address. So you have to click on, okay, I'm not clicking it. But if it still does not solve your network issue, maybe you should check your firewalls and security software. Because sometimes security software or firewalls can block network traffic. So you have to disable them temporarily to see if it's causing the issue. Next is you have to update your software. Ensure that all the network related software and firmware such as the routers, the switches are updated. And then, you have to isolate the issue. Disconnect devices or segments of the network to pinpoint where the problem lies. This might help you determine if the issue is localized to a specific area or device. Then, but if it still doesn't work, you have to test your hardware to other devices, the connections to other devices. Ano to? Okay, I will show you how to temporarily disable your firewall. So you're going to click Windows and then type firewall. Okay, firewall and network protection. So you're going to open that one. no action is needed. So in this, you are currently experiencing a proper connection of your network. So I don't have problem in my. So with this, there are several features that you have to allow an app through firewall, network, and Ethernet troubleshooter. So you can explore in these features, and then if it's still not working, you have to contact your um ISP, or you have to seek professional help.